Hope Uzodinma, God will judge you. I dey hear your name say, if you Hope Uzodinma, I mean, I dey call her now, Hope Uzodinma. Hope Uzodinma, like your name, Imo State Governor. You are the Hope Uzodinma. True Uzodinma, the Imo State. Imo State road is very bad. Too bad. He said, President go praise you. President go praise you. Say, yes, my son, you are doing well. Now you the praise president. How many flyover there your state? How many things you do for your state? From Port Harcourt to Imo State, you don't see the road. He the praise president. He do well. He do well. Say that the best president. Because he carry fourth position. They bring you come to front. Man who carry fourth position. They carry him. Jump number 3. Jump number 2. Jump number 1. Carry you come front. Shame no catch you. I shame for you. Hope Uzodinma, I shame for you. I shame for you. May God have mercy upon us in this Africa, in this Nigeria. The thing is too much. The evil is too much. The arranging is too much. The paddy is too much. May God forbid. Let's go. Bye-bye.
I'm in the nature that video in the nature. Ndị Igbo na-atụ n'ilu si na ebe nwata na-ebe akwa alụ aka ọ bụ na nne ya nọrọ nne ya nọrịrị ya. Ọ bụrụ na ebe nwatakịrị na-ebe akwa alụ aka ọ bụ na nne ya nọrọ ya nne ya nọrọ ya. Why nji na-ekwu ihe anọ? Abịa na Igbo today, Hope Uzodinma is one of the controversial governor enwe now na Igbo. I'm coming from the area of constructive criticism or as from no controversial, one of the most controversial governor in Igbo. Everything that surrounded Hope Uzodinma in government has been controversy. Everything ever since Makosi Weli got an Ochichio, Kosi Achio, everything has been centered on controversy. Asịrị na Hope Uzodinma gburu mmadụ, asị na omelenka, asị na omelenka ọzọ, asị na omelen ogbukwala nka, asị na emele onyele ọda ka egbude nda, asị na omelenka. Now na-ajụkene kedu ihe na-eselu Hope Uzodinma that this man keta? Kedu ihe na-eselu ha na-abụ now? That is what I am beginning to come. That is what I am asking. Because now there is no smoke without a fire. I need for video. Man, I am also bido. So I will also applaud you applaud on Kobunobo. Ma yogi, neneku, nene kam si nene. We gotta go. Because Nigeria ketonye when it is showfwe. The neck is kam si nene. When I got so that at the end of the day, everything will fall again under allegedly. When I got because now you go Imo State too much. You go Imo State from the past government to do my governor. From there to Onya Polo to the Polo Ham Ogugwalo littered all over Imo State. To my everything in Hanem Imo State. Alex Kedafi and Hope Uzodinma were Batankia. I need them while the create election. They make it Kedua Boyanachi Imo State before. For the first time in the history of Nigeria, a sitting governor was removed with a court. Replaced here with Onyeba fourth in election. Because Onyeba second the back on, Onyeba third the back on, where Buluzo Onyeba fourth. So it is again a controversy. Onyeba win everything they did. You may go to court and say that it was proving that you win in the history of Nigeria, a sitting governor was removed with court order. And after all said and done, he was removed. And that is what brings me back to here one man of God, Apostle Abel Boma. Ose, Hope Uzodinma, he handed Imo State over to Onye Inachi hand over to. That no one that no ye Imo State completely. Ose Hope Uzodinma na Chukwu si we reveal earlier that no one na plan ko onwe ka obia replace him that kind of thing. That no one replace by no ye Imo State completely. That na onye bụ the rightful person to rule Imo State na bụ ihe di oha. In other words, ihe the Oha, so that Imo State need light now. Because also when God was showing him the person, or saying after the person will light of the people. So when I made the video, when I say okay, no nya na ihe o mere n'Igbo ike ihe dị Oha. O wee bụrụ na snow nwere somebody na-aza ihe dị Oha. No young about the rightful person yachim, but failing to do so. Ping. They must say they attack a job on afufu. For somebody in a video na Hope Uzodinma, the worst governor in Imo State. A lot of people make a video about it. A lot of bloggers, a lot of content creators, a lot of people Google Hope Uzodinma, no young about the worst governor in when I nearby. Manuna man no near no na anagota o masim no pata because ihe niile ekwu na video am again allegedly una na nghọta